Your name is highly lifted up above every other name, 'cause you alone deserve the praise. You are the miracle working God. All power belongs to you. You alone deserve the praise. You are the same yesterday, today and forevermore. Oh, you alone deserve our praise. You are the mighty God. I call you the great I am. Oh, you alone deserve our praise. We call you Eze, 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 Eze. Only you, Lord, you alone deserve our praise. Jesus, 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 Jesus. You alone deserve our praise. Our Maker, Maker, Master, King of the universe. You alone deserve our praise. Oh, we give you all the praise. We give you all the praise. We give you all. Eze. We give you all the praise.